In today's tutorial, we'll explore the Odoo MRP Alternative Component / Dynamic BOM. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Inside Apps, make sure that both of the Manufacturing module and the MRP Alternative Component module are installed. Now, go to Manufacturing. Once it opens, navigate to Products, then go to BOM. Here, click on the New button to create a new BOM for a product. Let's say we are creating a BOM for a wooden table. Here, we can add all the components required to manufacture this product. The first component will be wooden plank, the second will be screw, and the third will be polish. Now click on Save. By default, the quantity is set to 1. Now we can update the quantities as needed. Let's say we need 4 planks, 10 screws, and 1 polish. Then click on Save again. Next, we will add alternative products for the wooden plank. The first alternative product will be bamboo plank. We can also add an extra price in addition to the cost price of the product. For example, I'm adding $4 for the first alternative product. The second alternative product will be WPC, and we'll add an extra price of $6. This extra price will be added on top of the original cost price of the product. Now click on Save. Now the BOM has been created. We can go to the BOM overview to check the actual cost required for this product. Next, navigate to Manufacturing and click on the New button. Here, we will select the same product, and you can see that the consumed quantities are automatically updated and the BOM is already filled in. Now we can select an alternative for the wooden plank. For example, we will choose bamboo plank, and you can also see the extra price displayed here. We are adding 4 quantities of the bamboo plank and removing the 4 quantities of the wooden plank. Then click on the Confirm button. Now, when we open the overview, we can see that the original BOM cost was $11, but the manufacturing cost is now $19 because we changed the product. The new product costs $16, while the previous product cost was $8. After clicking on Confirm, the product moves to the confirmed and ready stage. Even if the product is in the working or in progress stage, we can still change the quantities as per our requirements. This module allows us to make those changes as well. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching,